Compute the following using long addition 12 plus 5. Align the numbers from right to left, write 1 above 2. 2 plus 2 to the power of 5 equals 10. 1 2 is plus. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Start with an empty space in the second column. Write the number 1 in the third column. Write the number 2 in the first column, leave it blank in the second column, also leave it blank in the third column, leave it blank as well in the fourth column. Write the number 5 in the fourth column, write the number 7. 1 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 7. Bring down the remaining digit, add 1 to the digit you brought down. If the result is a 2-digit number, carry over the first digit to the next column now, add 2 to the number you have. If the result is a 2-digit number, carry over the first digit to the next column, add 1 to the number you have. 1 2 to the power of 5 is plus is equal to 1 times 10 to the power of 7. The result is equal to 2. There is a blank. The value of the blank is 17. The answer is blank. The value of the answer is 17.